will be a very bamboo session.
जिसमें होगा बहुत कुछ,
Counseling sessions,
guest speakers,
interviews,
success stories,
rapid fire
funny skits,
और बहुत सारे informative sessions.
which will help you polish and reflect the unique brand within you. We care for your career. Office of Career Services.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Saira Iqbal Khan from the Success Story chapter of Hey UMT. And this is the second episode. And this is basically the program introduced by Office of Career Services, in which we bring, the good and innovative minds of UMT who have been spreading their creative virus throughout the world. And one more thing I would like to add over here is that these champions are basically from the Innovation Champions Boot Camp and Club of Office of Career Services, an initiative which is more inclined towards the promotion of the idea generation and multidisciplinary collaboration to come up with the innovative ideas to serve the community. So today we'll be having a conversation with the champions and the winners of the International E-Business and Entrepreneurship Idea Showcase 2018 at Multimedia University, Malacca, Malaysia. And we will be having a conversation with them that how was their journey, what kind of troubles and hardships they faced. So we will get back to you. Okay, so before getting into the conversation with this gang, I would like to tell you these are the students of School of Business and Economics and who have won this competition at Multimedia University, Malacca, Malaysia. And Assalamu alaikum everybody, how you guys are doing?
Walaikum assalam, we're good, alhamdulillah.
Okay, so I guess it's better that you guys give your brief synopsis one by one.
Okay, my name is Mohammad Zishan and I recently graduated and we've been working with ICBCC and Aspire for the last 2 years in UMT.
My name is Abdul Basit and I've also been graduated from this university and I'm an innovation manager in Aspire Club and in the ICBCC as well.
That's great.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Irza Hanis and I have also recently graduated. I've done BBA from UMT.
I'm Shohib Khan and I'm recently graduated from UMT and I'm also Innovation Hawk at ICBCC.
My name is Mia Hasib Ahmed and I am recently graduated from UMT. So I am working as a media head in Aspire and ICBCC.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so आप लोगों ने इंटरनेशनल ई बिजनेस एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो उसका आइडिया शोकेस 2018 था at Multimedia University Malaysia में you guys have won the first position whereby 200 candidates or groups they applied for this thing and all over the world the jury was there to evaluate. So Zishan, my question to you is that just give me a little bit background of this project. What was the inspiration behind that and what were the salient features of this thing which really forced you to go and apply for this competition?
Okay, so first of all I would like to thank you for giving us the opportunity to come in here and talk about this. So the first thing was that one day we were out there in a park, we were sitting as a group and we were talking about the industry that we have, especially the medical industry, that we have pharmacies, we have a lot of pharmacies in Pakistan and all over the world. So what happened that we were talking about, we said that why not if we are on a bike or something and we get an accident recently or anywhere on the road or something. So we want tetanus injections or छोटा मोटा minor जो we call it that कि हमें थोड़ा वो services चाहिए medical. So we thought about कि अगर ऐसा हो तो हमें कुछ हो इस तरह खुदा न खास्ता तो what would be happen कि हमारे पास जैसे app होनी चाहिए इसमें we just click on a button and the nearest pharmacist comes to you. वो क्योंकि ambulances वगैरह का long distance और काफ़ी उसका वो time consume हो जाता है. So that just after the talk we just sat on a bike and we just tried to move on. So हम दो लोग थे when we went on और हम गिर गए recently. So when we fell we got injured and we said now we need tetanus. So that was the motivation. We said now there is a thing that this is a gap and that should be completed in the market. So that's how we got the idea of that. So then we went out into the market, हमने एक brainstorming की sessions किए जिससे हमें पता लगा कि there were 4 main components in this that we called it iPharma innovative pharmacy. So we gave it a name of iPharma and the first thing that we had was कि इसके अंदर 4 main components होंगे जिसके अंदर we can आप घर बैठे बैठे just click on the app and the person comes in, आपके pharmacy की जो सर्विसेज है होम डिलीवरी आपके पास हो जाएगी, आपको हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज घर में मिल जाया करेंगी और एक एम्बुलेंस नेटवर्क ऑन बोर्ड होगा इस फार्मेसी ऐप में जो आपको प्रोवाइड करेगा. सो दैट्स
And what was the thing in the competition? क्या उसमें मतलब क्या submissions थी? Because this is multimedia based university and you guys were applying and winning the competition online. तो उसमें क्या features थे? क्या मतलब details क्या थी उस competition के?
Okay, so ये competition was going to be held there और उसमें ये हुआ था कि 1 month back उन्होंने काफ़ी जो यूनिवर्सिटी और announcement की हुई थी और वहाँ से एक जो teams थी उनका ये there was a requirement that you have to develop a poster or even if you have the prototypes you have to develop a prototype and secondly you have to give a presentation जो आपने वहाँ पे live देनी थी तो हमें recently we got to know about 2 days earlier so उससे हमें ये हुआ कि they gave us an exemption कि आप just अपना एक poster बना के हमें दें वो हम वहाँ पे post कर देंगे and secondly you have to come in and give the pitch आपने पूरी देनी है business की so how it's gonna operate and what is it like features तो उसकी video उन्होंने they gave us an exemption and that कि हम वो वहाँ पे आके उसको present करें और इसी तरह फिर हमने वो वीडियो बनाई and we sent it there.
Okay, so who developed that video thing? Definitely there was the teamwork, but who took the lead in the video development?
Yeah, so we have the media manager, of course, Mr. Basit, and he took over for the challenge of the video.
Okay, so Basit, my question to you, being the media manager, what you try to capture into that video, and because we know the emerging जो landscape है future world of work का उसमें एक IT है और एक health sciences है और आपका जो project है that was more related to healthcare services, right? तो उसमें क्या features को किया था और how you managed to develop that video within just 2 days?
Well, we had that biggest challenge that we had only 2 days to complete the presentation. So what we came up with, we recorded some voiceovers, we used a software, did some animations, and the main idea was to present the whole idea in that presentation, so that the viewer can understand what we are really going to present them and bring them in this idea into the market. So we just captured some voiceovers of all of us and we made some animations in the video and then we go through it. Me and Zashan, whole the night we took almost 7 hours. In 7 hours we completed the presentation. So we send it and that's all how we work it.
Okay, so how much your domain knowledge helped you? क्योंकि I guess you guys are from the marketing department. और उसमें I don't know कि are you guys being taught the digital marketing thing or not? So how much your conceptual clarity of the subject and your domain knowledge helped you? Or maybe you have been gaining some additional skills like animation and video making and all that.
Well, in UMT we studied the course digital marketing. In that course we presented a video. Everyone presented a video presentation. So our presentation was one unique one. So I came up with the same idea. I have seen all the presentations. I memorized the software which all of the class members were using. So we found that we can only present the idea with those softwares with animations, not only with the presentation. So that was the main idea which affected as well.
Okay. So Irza, the corner lady, and pick the odd one out. If I have to pick the odd one out, is the Irza. So Irza, what do you think? कि क्या ऐसी hardships आपको जो थी वो face करनी पड़ी because you guys just get to know about this competition thing 2 days before. So when you're working in a team, so you can better identify what kind of hardships and hurdles you faced because this was online competition. So किस तरह से manage किया and how you emerge as a winner?
Everything was not very easy, but my team worked really hard. Obviously, nothing can be achieved without suffering. तो हम लोग के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा प्रॉब्लम यही था जो हमारे पास टाइम नहीं था. We've just got 2 days and we have to sum up the whole project and the video and the posters, everything. And this could not be done without research, of course. तो उसके लिए हम लोगों ने डिफरेंट फार्मेसीज़ में जाकर लोगों से बातचीत की, हमने कस्टमर्स के साथ बातचीत की. तो उसके लिए बहुत सब कुछ ना जल्दी करना पड़ा. तो बस जो सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल चीज़ थी ना वो बस टाइम था हमारे लिए, nothing else.
Well, that's great. Okay, coming to Shahir. Shahir, you're looking very serious today. Okay, so you guys all have been talking about conceptual clarity or क्या inspiration थी, क्या hardships थी. So definitely there must have been some support mechanism as well, right? Because you guys have also been associated with Innovation Champions Bootcamp and Club. So what do you think, what was the internal support mechanism and what were the collaborations you made externally, to get this executed?
अच्छा, basically तो सबसे पहले आपका शुक्रिया कि आपने हमें इधर अपॉर्चुनिटी दी कि हम आप लोगों को प्रेजेंट करें और अपने जो बाकी स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको भी वो कर सकें ताकि वो आगे प्रमोट हो और मेहनत करें, इनोवेशन की तरफ आए। अच्छा, सबसे पहले जो मुश्किल थी कि 2 दिन में और बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट था और हमारे पास रिसर्च पहले बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी। एक दिन तो सिर्फ हमने रिसर्च करने में लगाया। अच्छा, स्पोर्ट मैकेनिज्म इसमें ये था कि ICPCC में हम काम करते रहे, उसमें हमने बहुत सारे सेशंस लिए जिसकी वजह से हमें इनोवेशन और प्लान करने के बारे में पता चला कि प्लानिंग किस तरह करनी है और अपने टाइम मैनेजमेंट किस तरह करनी है। हमें उससे भी कुछ रिसोर्सेज मिले, हमें कुछ मेडिकल स्टोर्स और उनका वो मैकेनिज्म पता चला कि वो कैसे अपना वो काम करते हैं। उसकी वजह से हमें एक और आइडिया है कि हम इनको भी इस ऑन बोर्ड लेके आ सकते हैं जितनी भी फार्मेसीज हैं ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड। तो इसमें हमें बहुत मजे की। फिर हमारी जो फैकल्टी हमारे टीचर्स थे उन्होंने हमें बहुत इसमें सपोर्ट किया कि कुछ भी नहीं होता ना, तुम लोग कुछ करो और होगा। तो मतलब हमारा जीतना इसमें इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं था, मतलब हमारा इम्पोर्टेंट ये था कि हम कुछ करके दिखाएं। तो मतलब एक दिन में पूरा हमने वीडियो किया और सारा कुछ किया। तो उसमें हम क्रेडिट जाता है ICPCC को, सर खालिद को, आपको स्पेशली, जिसने हमें बहुत मेंटोरिंग की, मतलब जो फोर्स करते रहे कि करो करो। मतलब हम 2 दिन में कौन करता है, मतलब सर खपाइए सीरियसली। और हमारे टीचर्स ने किया क्या, कुछ नहीं होता, गंदी सी वीडियो बना के भेज दो चले। तो बस हमने फिर किया, कोशिश की कि हमने कहा अगर हमारे सर कह रहे हैं तो फिर हमें करना चाहिए।
And did you take any kind of used any kind of external network of people to get it executed, या बस अपनी ही टीम में रहकर you used all the capabilities, expertise and skills?
अपनी टीम में रहकर,
अपनी टीम में रहकर,
हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं था कि हम किसी और को के, मतलब अपनी टीम में जो था हम कर सकते थे। हमने अपने टीचर्स की हेल्प ली और हमारे जो भी मेंटोर थे यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर उनकी हेल्प ली। उसके अलावा बहुत मुश्किल था।
Okay, so हसीब, अब आप लोगों ने ये गोल्ड मेडल जीत लिया है among the 200 teams who applied for this thing, and this is an international platform in which you will be going and collecting your gold medal inshallah. So how does it feel, कि जब इतनी hardships देख ली और 2 दिन के time margin में अपनी सारी skills, teamwork के through you finally standing as a team at this position, how does it feel?
Actually, initially we are not like we send our project not just because we want to win government. We just put our efforts and we just send our project. Just want to enter in this competition. So the time we got know that we won that competition and we won gold medal. So at that time we surprised first. Then we are all very happy. At that time we are taking our class. So sir came and said that you are the winner of that competition, that international competition. So you got a gold medal. So like I can't explain my feeling, but like I was just like मैं अपनी चेयर से उठ पड़ा और I was saying like ये हम जीत गए। So
finally हम हो गए कामयाब।
जीत गए और like हमने सिर्फ 2 दिन में अपनी full effort input की और like we won international competition. So like वहाँ पे जो लोग आए हुए थे उन्होंने काफ़ी इन्वेस्टमेंट की हुई थी, डेमोज उन्होंने बनाए हुए थे। So हम लोगों ने कुछ इतनी खास इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं की, सिर्फ हमने अपनी स्किल्स इन्वेस्ट की और थोड़ा टाइम इन्वेस्ट किया और नाउ वी वॉन दैट कंपटीशन। सो ये फीलिंग सबसे बेस्ट होती है।
Okay, so one last question as we have to wrap it up, because you guys are now the champions and the champions of innovation. जबकि 2 questions, एक मैं quickly ज़िशान से question पूछना चाहूँगी कि कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी की बात होगी, टीम वर्क की बात होगी, ये सब चीज़ें बहुत ज़रूरी होती हैं किसी भी बिजनेस प्लान को करने के लिए और एक विनर के तौर पर, एक चैम्पियन के तौर पर इमर्ज होने के लिए। सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, इसकी क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है कि व्हेन यू आर इन अ सर्टेन डोमेन उसमें आपकी कितनी ग्रिप होनी चाहिए उस सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर, एंड अलॉन्ग विद योर सॉफ्ट स्किल्स डेवलपमेंट। और ठीक है, एक तो आप लोग पढ़ रहे हो जो पढ़ रहे हो, हाउ मच कंट्रीब्यूशन गोज टू योर थिंकिंग एबिलिटी टू इम्प्रूव इट एंड फर्दर डिग इनटू इट एंड टू कम अप विद क्रिएटिव आइडिया।
ओके, सो वन थिंग इज दैट कि जब आप प्रैक्टिकलिटी की बात करते हैं, हम व्हेन वी गो एंड स्टडी इन अ कोर्स, क्लास में भी, क्लासरूम से भी हमें वी गेट टू हैव सम प्रोजेक्ट्स एज वेल वी हैव टू एक्जीक्यूट, बट वन मेन थिंग इज दैट इफ वी आर नॉट engaged in the extracurricular activities, especially when we came to know about the really great platform ICPCC, that was the key thing, that we entered into an extracurricular activities जहाँ पे हमें we used to be there was a mentoring जो हमें मिलती थी जिसके beyond the studies as well, इसमें practicality आ जाती है. So for in order to execute a certain project or something in practical world, you have to go through a certain trainings and mentoring, and you have to go jump into the field. So जब आप practicality की तरफ जाएं, आप practically जाके उसको implement करें, then it is going to be used. अगर आप courses पढ़ लें सिर्फ उसको implement ना करें, then it won't be that helpful. So
Okay.
this is how we think that it's important.
So basically, you guys are digital vampires. Okay,
Yeah.
generally digitally, they have proved themselves. Okay, just as a thing, I have this watch maybe, take it,
Okay.
and I have putting it in front of all of you. Take it, or it doesn't have any extra feature, maybe you say any salient feature, but you have to sell it online. ठीक है, तो ऐसी और है भी ऐसे इलाके में जाकर आपने उसको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाना है जहाँ पर लोग ज़्यादा लिटरेट नहीं हैं, तो क्या टैगलाइंस यूज़ करोगे इसके लिए?
Get 50% off.
What?
Buy.
Best quality in cheapest price.
Okay, I was expecting some Urdu version के वहाँ पर लोग ज़्यादा अंग्रेज़ी को नहीं जानते.
50% off.
जी.
अच्छी क्वालिटी कम प्राइस में जो सब ले सके, जो वहाँ के लोग ले सके.
चीज़ अट्रैक्टिव अगर होती है तो लोग आई मीन उसको इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं. मतलब विलेज वाली साइड पे जैसे वहाँ पे लोग इलिटरेट नहीं होते, अगर उनको ये चीज़ सेल करनी है तो उनको दिखाना पड़ता है कि इसकी रियल वर्ल्ड में.
So how will you show that? This is what I want to see.
आई मीन लोग आजकल हर जगह एंड्रॉइड भी यूज़ करते हैं, हर तरह की. वो फेसबुक यूज़ करते हैं, फेसबुक पे ऐसी मतलब कि वो कैंपेन चला दो, कोई ऐसी पोस्ट लगा दो कि लोगों के लिए अब ये वाली जो चीज़ है ऑफर होना स्टार्ट हो गई है. और ये चीज़ वाकई लोगों के साइकी को पकड़ती भी है, क्योंकि वो अगर देखते हैं कि इतनी मतलब अच्छी चीज़ है और यहाँ पे इलाके में आके मिल रही है तो वो फुली रिस्पॉन्स अच्छा मिल जाता है.
एक्चुअली जो गाँव में लोग होते हैं ना, लाइक वो थोड़े ज़्यादा शो ऑफ होते हैं, तो उनको जो गोल्ड कलर है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट करता है. तो उनकी साइकी होती है ये कि जो गोल्ड कलर है वो अगर हम पहनेंगे तो हम लाइक we feel rich or we feel comfortable.
Okay, Zishan, which tagline you will use?
थोड़ी नवी दुल्हन. So it shows the attractions, you can gift it to someone, so it's
ठीक है, so attraction will be basically to showcase this thing and to pitch this thing through videos,
yeah.
or maybe through certain celebrity which they love, ठीक है, and to use some cultured based taglines and all that.
Yes.
ठीक है, well that's great. And one liner advice to UMT students and rest of the future leaders, because you are definitely a pride for UMT that you have won this competition. So I would like to go through one by one, all of you, excuse me, कि क्या advice है one liner to UMT students and the future leaders?
As far as I am considered, like अगर आप मुझे कंसिडर करो तो लाइक मैं कोई इतना हाई ग्रेड स्टूडेंट नहीं हूँ. सो मेरी यही एडवाइस है कि जो कर रहे हो दिल से करो. लाइक मैं इधर BBA करने आया था, बट मेरी स्किल्स जरा कंप्यूटर साइंस में काफ़ी अच्छी थी, सो मैं वो भी साथ साथ लेके चलता रहा, तो मैं ये भी लेके चलता. जो आपका दिल कहता है वो ज़रूर करो, उसमें आपको आपकी सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलेगी. बाकी तो दुनिया के साथ ही चलना पड़ता है.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
Job तो-
जी Shahir, what is
I
that
will
kick?
encourage them कि try something new.
Try something new.
Don't be come out of your comfort zone.
That's great.
कुछ करते रहो, कुछ ना कुछ ऐसी चीज एक निकल आएगी जो आपको हिट कर देगी.
Right.
मतलब try something new every time. और implementation सबसे जरूरी चीज है.
जी Irza.
मैं तो ये कहूँगी as my 4 years experience कि work in a team, build a team, and बस do anything you like, but with your full mind and heart.
Full commitment.
Exactly, full commitment.
Okay. Ji.
Well, I will give the idea of to become a freelancer to everyone.
Okay.
Because this is how we became here, what we are now.
Okay.
So learn new skills and implement them online. Earn something from there. So you should know that how much worth you are in the market.
That's cool. Ji Zishan.
So okay, so I would always say like 1-2 lines of in Urdu especially एक चीज़ ये होती है कि जब हम यूनिवर्सिटी ज्वाइन करते हैं, सो देयर इज थिंग कि हम पेरेंट्स जाके हमें कहते हैं कि बेटा आप क्या सीख के आए हो, तो हम घर जाके कहते हैं कि अब्बा जी अम्मा जी हम ये पढ़ के आए हैं. So that's the gap you get from study. So what you have to do is that whenever you go through studying, and जब भी आप स्टडी वगैरह करें, make sure you practically implement that. And by the end आपने जब भी यूनिवर्सिटी के 4 years गुजारने हैं, keep discipline in yourself and integrity as well. And by the end you have to be engaged in extracurricular activities and clubs and societies alongside with your studies in order to succeed in your career.
Well, thank you so much, all of you, and we wish you all the good luck for all of your future endeavors. And we hope that you will keep on coming with more, winnings with the same hawkish outlook, and nationally and internationally as well. And we would like to see you smiling the rest of your life. Thank you so much. We will definitely come up with more episodes for the success stories of Hey UMT. God bless you. Thank you.